And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 75. Let me show you how the spiral tool works. You can find it right here. Let me create a copy, pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So I copy paste this here. We're gonna keep the top one for comparison, and I've got the bottom one selected. When you activate the spiral tool again, you can see three options. First one is the turns, and this is the outer diamond. You can left click drag directly on your spiral, and you can see it changes the turn value. You can also use the plus minus or type it in directly. So this is going to give your spiral more turns. Inner radius is for the inner diamond. So if you want to have more turns on the outside, but on the inside it should be empty, you can increase the value here. The default is 0. Finally, the divergence. This is the relationship between these turns. So if you increase it, it's going to be more dense in center. And if you go down, it's going to be more dense on the outside. Finally, here is this default button. So whenever you get lost, just click here. You're going to get the default spiral back and you can start fresh. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.